Introducing the 2021 Seat Leon E-hyb E-hybrid, 204 horsepower, DSG FR Plus 5-door A, the perfect blend of power and efficiency. This sleek grey estate boasts a 1.4-litre engine with both petrol and plug-in hybrid electric capabilities, delivering a smooth automatic transmission for a seamless driving experience. Packed with comfort, safety, and tech features like air conditioning, cruise control, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle ensures a safe and enjoyable ride every time. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can drive with peace of mind knowing this car is in top condition. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie to learn more about the 2021 Seat Leon E-hyb E-hybrid.